Good morning. Ahmedabad Airport is once again ready to welcome and serve its passengers. Here, as you can see, the luggage is being sanitized, after which passengers are advised to show their Arogya Setu status, after which, see here you can see the Arogya Setu status is being shown, and then a thermal screening is being done for the passenger. After this, the passengers will enter the departure building. Here you can see we have social distancing stickers on the floors to facilitate social distancing among passengers. So now we come to the departure entry, where you can see the CISF personnel are protected with the help of a glass screen, and there is a camera through which the passenger is showing their ticket and identity, and they are now entering the terminal building. In the building we have all the measures in place. So here you can see the chairs, the middle seat of the chairs are cross marked to maintain social distancing. Then we have floor markings on the foot of the common use self-service check-in kiosks. And let's have a look at the washrooms. Here you can see the housekeeping staff is constantly on the job of sanitizing the passenger frequently touched points. So now we enter the washroom. So here you can see everything is spick and span. The housekeeping is on its job. And then let's quickly go towards the check-in counters. Passengers are being advised not to use the trolleys as far as possible. And here you can see the passengers who need to check in their luggage are waiting in queue. And here once again we have social distancing floor markings to facilitate the passengers. Let's have a close look at the check-in counter, where we have a glass screen which is protecting our airline staff. And through the glass screen the passenger is showing his identity and getting his boarding pass in case he hasn't got it earlier, and then he's also checking in his luggage. Here you can see we also have tea, coffee and light snacks shops opened so that the passengers are facilitated in the best manner possible. Now let's go towards the security check. And before going to the security check, I would like to show the elegant Gir forest which we have made at Ahmedabad Airport. It's a miniature Gir forest, and passengers can have the view of one of the marvels of Gujarat. So here you can see we have a camera in place where the security personnel is checking the credentials of the passenger and the staff with the help of a glass screen and a camera. Here, as you can see, we can see very clearly and also maintain considerable distance with the passengers. After which we have security check. Let's go and see how it happens. As you can see, the CISF personnel is wearing his PPE and he has done with the security check, and there are no stamping of the boarding pass, which is as per the guidelines of the Bureau of Civil Aviation Security. So here, to sum it up, we are prepared to serve the passengers in best way possible and also facilitate them so that they stay safe and they travel safe and they come back and fly